Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sushma. Today we are going to learn arithmetic progression important questions. So here we have a first question. The interior angles of a quadrilateral are in AP. The smallest among them is 15 degree. Find the measures of remaining angles. They said how many angles? Interior angles. Interior angle means it will be 4 it will be. So that is A1, A2, A3, A4. So you can take a comma, a plus d comma. But here they already mentioned that smallest among them like that or not. So therefore we need to go with the a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d in a consecutive terms way. So consecutive values how we will take. So like that we need to take. That is a minus 3d is a1, a minus d is a a2, a plus d is a a3 and a plus 3d is a a4. So now first what they said, the smallest among them is 15 degree. So before that I'll write sum of, because whatever we will be taking, that is sum of this one quadrilateral angles will be equal to 360 degree. First I'll take by quadrilateral. So what is that sum of that? That means you can write a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 is equals to 360. A1 value we have a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d is equals to 360. So 3d plus 3d minus 3d we can cancel. Plus d minus d we can cancel. So many we have 4a is equals to 360. We can divide 4 ones are 4 90s are. So we'll get a is equals to 90 degree. Now they said the smallest one, how much they said? 15 degree. So which is the smallest one? That is a minus 3d. So now I'll take substitute a is equals to 90 in a minus 3d, because they already given the value that is 15 degree. A value is 90 minus 3d is equals to 15. Now I'll take 90 that side. So I'll get minus 3d is equals to 15 degree minus 90 degree. So by subtracting I'll get this one minus 3d is equals to 75 minus 75. So 3 ones are 3 25s are minus minus cancel. So we'll get d is equals to 25. So now we can measure all the angles whatever we need. So first one we already know a minus 3d is 15 degree. So next one a minus d means 90 minus 25. That one we will get as 65. Next a plus d 90 plus 25 we will get 115. Next a plus 3d we will get this as a 165. Second one, in an AP the third term is 3 and fifth term is minus 11. Find its 50th term. They already mentioned which one? Third term is 3. So therefore a3 is equals to 3. Next fifth term they said, that is a5 is equals to how much? Minus 11. You need to find out a50. How much? So we know a3 how we can write a plus 2d is equals to 3. And a5 we can write as a plus 4d is equals to minus 11. So now I'll mention this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now subtract both the equations. Subtract equation 1 minus 2. Equation 1 I have a plus 2d minus a plus 4d is equals to 3 minus of 11, because we have minus 11 therefore. So a plus 2d plus into minus a minus 4d is equals to 3 minus into minus plus 11. Now plus a minus a cancels. You'll get 2 minus 4d. So therefore I'll get minus 2d is equals to 14. So you can cancel, otherwise further you can do. So I'll cancel now only. 2 1s are, 2 7s are, minus is there, so it will convert to this side. I'll get d is equals to minus 7. Now I'll substitute this one d value in any one equation. So substitute d is equals to minus 7 in equation 1. You want, you can substitute in equation 2 also. I'll substitute, I'll get 2 plus a plus 2d is equals to 3. A value we need to find out, so therefore I'll substitute d value as minus 7. So now plus into minus 7 2s are 14 is equals to 3. I'll take this one minus 14 this side. I'll get a is equals to 3 plus 14. Then a is equals to 3 plus 14 I'll get as a 17. We find out a and d both also. Now we need to find out a50. So a50, how we can write? I can write a plus 49d. You want, you can go with the formula also. Now a value we have 17 plus 49 into d value we have minus 7. So now by 17 plus into minus. So by multiplying 49 into 7 we will get 343. Now by subtracting this I'll get 326. Third sum, the fourth term of an AP is 14 and the eighth term is 8 less than twice the fifth term. Find the sum of first 25 terms of the AP. So they already said fourth term they gave, that is a4 is equals to, they gave 14. So I can write a plus 3d is equals to 14. I'll mention this as equation 1. Next one, what they said, eighth term, a8 is equals to, they said 8 less than twice the fifth term. So 8 less than twice the fifth term they said. So therefore we will get twice means 2, fifth term means 5 and less than 8. Now a8 I can write as a plus 7d is equals to, this one 2 into a5 I can write as a plus 4d minus 8. Now a plus 7d is equals to 2 into a, I'll get 2a minus 2 4s are 8d minus 8. Now if I take on this terms this side, I'll get 2 minus a, I'll get minus a by this. So I'll take this one 8 this side, so it will become minus, so I'll get minus d is equals to minus 8. So now I'll subtract by a minus on both the sides. I'll get a plus d is equals to 8. This is equation 2. You want, you can subtract, otherwise you can do elimination method. I'll do with a subtraction. Subtract equation 1 minus 2. Equation 1 I have a plus 3d, 1 I have a plus d, so it will multiply with the minus, I'll get minus terms only, that is minus a minus d is equals to 14 minus 8. Plus a minus a cancels, 3 minus d I'll get as 3 minus 1d I'll get as a 2d is equals to 14 minus 8. By subtracting I'll get 6. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, so d is equals to, I'll get 3. Now I'll substitute this value in equation 2. What's the equation 2 I have? A plus d is equals to 8. So d value I have 3. I'll substitute, I'll take this one 3 that side, I'll get a is equals to 8 minus 3. So a is equals to, I'll get 5. Now what they said us to find out? They said we need to find out sum of 25 terms. That means what? Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What's the n value? 25. divided by 2. 2 into 5 plus 25 minus 1. D value is 3. Now we can't divide, so I'll keep it like that only. 2 5s are 10 plus 24 into 3. So I'll get 25 by 2. So 24 into 3, I'll get 72. So further 25 by 2 into, by adding this both, I'll get 82. So I can divide 41 I'll get. So therefore I'll get 25 into 41. So by multiplying I'll get 1025. So SN value we got 1025 is our answer. Fourth one, the sum of three terms of an AP is 18 and the sum of the squares of extremes is 104. Find the AP and the sum of first 40 terms. They said the sum of three terms they said. So we don't know that three terms, we can take that one as a A1, A2, A3. So I'll take that as a A1, A2, A3. That means consecutive terms we need to take. So you can take A plus D, A plus 2D. But I'll go with the A minus D, A plus D. They said sum of this one is how much they said? 18. So first we will add. So according to the condition, sum A minus D plus A plus D is equals to how much they gave? 18. So plus D minus D cancels, you will get 3A is equals to 18. So you can divide 6 so therefore A is equals to, you will get 6. Now they said its extremes, the square of its extremes is 104. So square of extremes means that is first and last terms. This is the extremes we will tell. So square of that is a 104. So therefore what is the extremes we have? A minus D is a 1, that one square. Sum this is, so therefore plus A plus D whole square is equals to how much? 104. It is in the form of A minus B whole square. This is in the form of A plus B whole square. A minus B whole square, what? A square plus B square minus 2AB. So I'll go with that only. So A square plus D square minus 2 into AD. That means A plus B way. Here also A square plus D square, but here it will come plus because it's a plus is there. 2AD is equals to 104. Plus 2 minus 2AD cancels. How many A squares we have? 2A square plus 2D square is equals to 104. So A value we have 6. So therefore 6 square plus 2D square is equals to 104. So 6 square is 36. So 2 into 36 plus, here you can see we have 2D square is equals to 104. You can divide whole term by 2. So then I'll get 36 plus D square is equals to 54. Now I'll take this one 36 this side. I'll get D square is equals to 54 minus 36. So I'll get D square is equals to 16. So what is the square root of 16? That is plus or minus 4. So D is equals to plus or minus 4. So I'll consider plus 4 only. So now let's find out what is the sum of that. So they said sum of how many terms? 40 terms. So therefore n is equals to 40. Already we have A is equals to 6. D is equals to plus 4. So now we need to find out sum. So Sn is equals to n by 2. 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So n value we have 40 divided by 2. 2A value we have 6 plus n is 40 minus 1. D is 4. 2 1s are, 2 20s are. So I'll get 20 into 12 plus 39 into 4. So I'll get 20 into 12 plus 156. So now we'll add and we will multiply with this. So then we'll get 3360 as a sum. If you like this video, please share with your friends. For more like this videos, press the bell icon. If you have any doubt, please comment it below and like this. Thank you.